welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be looking at a function called as summarize. Okay. So basically what you do with summarize that I'm going to explain you today. As the name suggests, we can summarize the data. So as usual, we are ready with the financials table, which is preloaded data in Power BI. So now, if you can see here in the right side, I have financial tables, then I have sales, then I have profit, then I have country, I have product. So what I want a new table in which I should get the summarized data. So how I can do that? So I'll go to the tables first and I'll create new table and I'll give name as test table. For example, test table equals to, I'll write down summarize, then the table name financial, because we will be fetching data from financials table. Then here I have option to you know get the data as per the groups. So to explain in detail, like for example, I wanted to see the sales first by country, then by product, and the same way I wanted to see the profit also. So that is how we can group the columns here. So I'll provide the first group name. So I wanted to see as per the countries. So I'll select the country. Then I wanted to see as per the product. So country wise product, and then I'll start with the names. So first I wanted to see the sales. So I'll provide name called as sale and again comma. Then I'll provide expression that should be a summation of sales bracket close. Then I wanted to see a profit as well. So I'll provide name profit comma sum and profit and I'll close the bracket. Now, if you can see, I have countries to the left side, products, its sales, and profit. So this is the summarized data which I have taken from this financial table. So this is how our summarize syntax works. I hope you understand this. So keep learning, keep sharing my channel, keep subscribing my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.